Welcome to this overview of the new features added in HoloEdit 2021.2. In this video, we'll go over some of the most exciting features added in this HoloEdit release. First, we'll begin with the updated welcome screen. Starting HoloEdit with no active workspace will now display the new welcome screen. Manage your profile, access basic tutorials on the Arcturus YouTube channel, or start working in HoloEdit by opening a workspace. Audio support is new in HoloEdit 2021.2.
Welcome to the world of volumetric
In
capture.
HoloEdit 2021.2, you can import audio into clips via WAV or MP3 audio files, or MP4 files containing embedded audio data. Trim and align your audio streams to match your active performance, adjust the audio volume, and configure fade in or fade out. Then export your audio data for HoloStream or local OMS playback. In HoloEdit 2021.2, you can create clips directly from certain data types as individual files. Single file sequence data, like OMS, MP4, Alembic, WAV, and MP3 files, can be imported simply by selecting the Make Clip button beside the file name. You can exclude individual streams from your load asset stages now using the excluded stream parameter in the interval inspector. After selecting a load asset interval, the included data streams will be visible in the Excluded Streams dropdown. Select each stream you want to exclude from your load asset interval and leave out unnecessary content, or use multiple load asset stages with the same clip to pick and choose when you introduce each type of data. Our team has worked alongside the team at Scatter to create tools to extract Depthkit data using our Depthkit Unity package. Depthkit clips captured with our Depthkit Unity package can be processed in HoloEdit using the new Clean Mesh stage parameters. Use debride to remove all triangles with two or fewer connected faces. This deletes faces bordering holes and can disconnect thin strips of geometry. Use this feature in conjunction with remove all but largest component to help remove disconnected floating meshes and excess thin strips of geometry to ensure a high-quality texture reconstruction result. Use the updated texture reconstruction stage to generate UVs and textures using the MVEs created with the Depthkit Unity package. With the new Repair Unseen Faces parameter, texture reconstruction automatically fills missing spots in the MVE coverage. A new stage, Remesh, has been added to this release. Remesh builds a new mesh from scratch. It uses a voxel algorithm to generate completely new meshes per individual frame. Voxel remeshing approximates the surface based on an invisible 3D grid. Because of the grid-like nature, details smaller than an individual grid cell will be ignored and fused together, including small holes in the mesh, creases, or tips of fingers. In the Remesh inspector, you can adjust the depth parameter. The depth setting specifies how many times the voxel grid is subdivided. Each increment of depth doubles the amount of divisions, dramatically increasing the precision of the remeshing process at the expense of performance and memory. Remesh completely removes all vertex attributes, like vertex color or UV maps. In HoloEdit 2021.2, only the texture reconstruction stage creates new UVs, so the Remesh stage is recommended for workflows involving MVE capture, such as clips captured from the Mesh Capture tool or Depthkit packages. Rename clips during import by using the clip name field. You can rename stages in your composition by right-clicking on the stage name and selecting Rename. We've added some new visuals to the timeline and composition panel. For intervals with failed or dirty segments, icons will be displayed at the top right corner of the interval. Import, upload, and export tasks are now all handled in the background while working in HoloEdit. You can see how many tasks are processing at a glance, or whether there are any issues with your current tasks on the status bar. To monitor and manage background tasks, click on the View Tasks icon in the bottom right corner of the HoloEdit UI. Cancel tasks by clicking on the X icon, or monitor the import, upload, and export tasks progress. Clear all completed tasks using the Clear Resolve Tasks button in the top left corner of the Task Manager. The new Manage Workspace window provides you with a tool to tidy up workspaces and reduce their overall disk usage. Select which compositions and autosaves you want to keep, and HoloEdit will automatically prune all outdated assets not used in the selected compositions. This can have dramatic space savings for workspaces which have been used to process a lot of jobs. The Manage Workspace tool can also be used to create a new workspace from a subset of existing assets. Similar to the cleanup process, you can select which compositions you would like to start a new workspace with, and will copy all of their required assets. This can be useful for generating minimal projects for portability. We've updated the HoloSuite player to support Unreal 4.27. New, streamlined workflows let you set up OMS players more quickly and with less components. Configure an OMS player by placing an OMS mesh actor in your scene and assign an OMS texture and automatically generated mesh material with no need to configure a media player.
Volumetric video contains nuanced human performance, just like film.
MP4 exports have been updated with an additional parameter, frame rate. The HoloSuite Unreal player has a single new setting for playing variable frame rates. You can find the frame rate field located in the OMS settings of an OMS mesh actor. Thank you for watching this video overview of the new features added in HoloEdit 2021.2. For more information on all of the new features in HoloSuite, refer to the HoloEdit 2021.2 documentation linked in the video description.